Hey everyone, my name is Rohan Bijou, and today we're going to take a look at a really cool portable monitor called the Lepow C2, which I have with me right there. So I've been using this for actually a couple of months to test it out, both indoors as well as on travel occasions, and it actually held up really well, and let's talk about that in this video. So before we begin, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already to watch more future content like this. Like this video if you found this helpful, and comment any questions or concerns, and I'll try my best to answer them. So without further ado, let's head to the first stop of unboxing. The box is quite sleek, and when opening the box, we're greeted with a black foam pad. Under it, we can find the connection quick guide, a screen protector, the display itself, which we'll keep aside for now, a user guide, a frequently asked questions guide, a USB Type-C to Type-C cable for both power and display connectivity, along with the standard HDMI to mini HDMI cable, a installation kit for the screen protector, a USB-A to USB Type-C power cable, a mini display to mini DisplayPort cable, and a USB power adapter. That's everything you get in the box, and let's keep it aside and bring back the display. Let's peel the protective film from the display, and to be honest, it wasn't as satisfying as I thought it would be, and it was quite loud. My first thoughts when holding the monitor in my hand was that it was incredibly thin and lightweight, making it perfect for carrying in your backpack or bag. The C2 model features a predominantly plastic body, and this choice significantly reduces weight and enhances that idea of portability. The C2 utilizes a sturdy and lightweight cast iron kickstand, ensuring stability and durability. And it's also worth noting that you get the C2 in two different colors, black and gray. Setting up the Lepow C2 is an absolute breeze. Simply connect the monitor to your device using the provided cables and you're good to go. The monitor supports various connection options, including USB-C, HDMI, and DisplayPort. This versatility ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices such as laptops, smartphones, both Android and iPhone, gaming consoles, and more. And today I've connected it to my PS5. Now let's talk about the display and the performance specs. The Lepow C2 features a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel, delivering vibrant colors and sharp details. The aspect ratio is 16:9 and the resolution is 1920 by 1080p, which ensures a crisp and immersive viewing experience for a majority of people. The IPS panel provides excellent viewing angles of 85 degrees with a color gamut of 16.7 million colors, allowing you to share the screen with others without sacrificing color accuracy or clarity. The contrast ratio is 1000:1, which is fairly decent. In terms of brightness, the monitor offers a maximum brightness of 300 nits, making it suitable for primarily indoor use and a little mediocre outside use. The anti-glare coating helps to minimize reflections, ensuring comfortable viewing even in bright environments. But this anti-glare coating will also reduce the crispness of the image on the screen, but it is still great. Whether you're working on spreadsheets, editing photos, or streaming videos, the Lepow C2 delivers impressive visual performance. One of the standout features of this portable monitor is, of course, its portability. With its slim design and lightweight construction, it's incredibly convenient to carry around and can slip inside any backpack. The stand also provides two adjustable viewing angles for convenience, which you can choose between landscape or portrait depending on your preference and task at hand. And also, it does lean back quite a lot and quite significantly for that different viewing angles vertically. The Lepow C2 also boasts excellent connectivity options. The USB-C port supports both power and data transmission, allowing you to connect and charge your device simultaneously, which is pretty great. The monitor offers one mini HDMI input, another USB Type-C port for charging only, and a mini DisplayPort. On the other side, you will find manual controls to access the settings menu as well as a headphone jack. Here, let's talk about the settings menu and the buttons you'll find. Here you can find the power button, the volume/plus shortcut, the menu and confirm button, and the brightness/minus shortcut button. The buttons are really confusing to use and are quite hard to navigate your first time around, but if you use this constantly, you will start to figure it out, but it's still really confusing out of the box. Additionally, the monitor has built-in dual speakers, which are both 1 watt and can be located in the back. This provides decent sound quality, which is also decently loud for multimedia purposes, but it's not as great and is not something that I would rely on in the long run. And here is a quick test of the audio.
Goblins the rightful owner of any object is its maker, not its purchaser. Wizard kind see things differently. It's a wonder goblins and wizards have ever been able to work together.
The differences between our kinds are myriad.
They seem to be.
It may surprise you to know that I do not believe those differences always to be insurmountable. It is the reason I find myself traveling with you to this tomb today. Ah, and there it is, the witch's tomb.
Dreadful looking place, isn't it?
How nice to see you, my young...
I wish you luck retrieving the helmet. As a wand carrier, you should have an advantage. Now, before you set off, do you have any questions?
So the sound was pretty decent. I wouldn't recommend this for long-term usage or a daily usage, but I would recommend to use external speakers or an external headphones which can connect with an inbuilt 3.5mm headphone jack, and I feel like that would be a much better experience. The C2 is not only suitable for productivity tasks, but also for gaming and entertainment, with a decent refresh rate of 60 Hz and a response time of 3 milliseconds. It provides smooth visuals with minimal motion blur, but it does include some. While it may not match the performance of high-end gaming monitors, the Lepow C2 is still capable of delivering an enjoyable gaming experience on the go for not professional gamers. You can connect it to the Nintendo Switch, PS5, or Xbox, and you can easily connect your console to the Lepow and enjoy gaming wherever you are, either a hotel room, on the plane, or even at the airport. The vibrant colors and sharp details enhance your gaming experience, making it a must-have accessories for gamers on the go. And an added bonus, if you do this right, you will only need one to no outlet to power your setup. If you're using a computer, all you need to do is connect the monitor to the laptop using the provided USB-C to USB-C cable, which is both for data and power. This means you don't need an outlet, but it does drain the battery of your laptop. In terms of a gaming setup, you can connect your console to power using one outlet and connect the display to the console using an HDMI cable. Then you can connect the monitor's power to the console either using a USB-C cable or a USB-A cable, so it powers the setup only using one outlet. So in the end, to sum it up, the Lepow C2 Portable Monitor is a versatile and reliable companion for professionals, gamers, and anyone in need of an additional screen on the go. Its lightweight design, impressive display quality, and a wide range of connectivity option makes it a standout choice in the portable monitor market. It's great for both work and gaming. Based on my experience and usage of the Lepow C2 for a daily usage outside and indoors, I would give it a final score of an 85 out of 100. It's really great in terms of portability, hits all those checkpoints you need: lightweight, pretty thin, and great connectivity options on the go. But it does sacrifice on some things like resolution, brightness, a bit of color, and obviously the speakers, which are a bit mediocre but could be easily fixed with an external speaker or headphones through the headphone jack. And this could be a big deal for certain people, but in the end, I do feel like some of the sacrifices are worth the final product. So if you are looking for a portable monitor to carry to work, in your backpack, on an airport, or on a plane, I would recommend the Lepow C2, and I've left links in the description that you can go and purchase it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Comment any questions and concerns you have about the Lepow C2, and I'll try my best to answer them. So thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.